Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how I silk press my hair. I haven't straightened my hair or trimmed it in a year and a half, so now I'm just having a quick check as to what it's looking like. So I already washed my hair the night before and put leave-in conditioner and a bit of serum and put it in the two plaits and went to sleep, just so I was minimizing the amount of heat being used on my hair.
피냐콜라다 알코올 sipping 너의 피부색처럼 dripping 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 dripping 피냐콜라다 알코올 sipping 너의 피부색처럼 dripping 지금 내 핸드폰에
I blow dried it all in 4 sections, and then now I'm putting in a bit of serum again, and I'm going to proceed to start straightening it and in small thin sections. I am going to use the chase and comb method just to try and help alleviate any detangling whilst I'm straightening the hair.
핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 dripping Yellow pina colada 말고는 헤네시의 콜라타 우리 취향은 너무나 달라 머리부터 발끝까지 힙한 스타일 너는 좀 단정한 애 같아 나를 만나고서 달라져 힙한 말투를 따라하는 게 cute like pie 동그란 볼살은 빵 같아 I don't know about a lot of things 아직도 I'm young and free All these girls still talk to me all night 시발 관심 없지 Cause you got that yellow skin 햇살에는 하얀 skin 만질래 so come and sit 내 차 안에서 하자 kiss
After going through and straightening everything, I'm gonna trim the ends section by section. This was quite difficult to do because it's a lot easier to do on somebody else than yourself, but I think I managed to get maybe like half an inch off everywhere. So yeah, I'm just going through and trimming all that up.
네 모습에 나는 dripping Yellow pina colada 말고는 헤네시의 콜라타 우리 취향은 너무나 달라 머리부터 발끝까지 힙한 스타일 너는 좀 단정한 애 같아 나를 만나고서 달라져 힙한 말투를 따라하는 게 cute like pie 동그란 볼살은 빵 같아 I don't know about a lot of things 아직도 I'm young and free All these girls still talk to me all night 시발 관심 없지 Cause you got that yellow skin 햇살에는 하얀 skin 만질래 so come and sit 내 차 안에서 하자 kiss
So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some curls in my hair after straightening it and trimming all the dead ends. My hair is quite naturally fine, so if I leave it straight without any curls in it, it just looks really flat, and I'm not happy with that. Especially the longer it gets, that's what's gonna happen. So I've just put some curls in it, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it and get ready for bed, and then we'll see what it looks like in the morning.
지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 dripping Yellow pina colada 말고는 헤네시의 콜라타 우리 취향은 너무나 달라 머리부터 발끝까지 힙한 스타일 너는 좀 단정한 애 같아 나를 만나고서 달라져 힙한 말투를 따라하는 게 cute like pie 동그란 볼살은 빵 같아 I don't know about a lot of things 아직도 I'm young and free All these girls still talk to me all night 시발 관심 없지 Cause you got that yellow skin
Okay, so now it's the next day. I've had my makeup did, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take the scarf off. I did put some edge control on my hair just to lay the baby hairs down before I wrapped it. So yeah, so now I'm just going ahead and styling it. I'm quite happy with the end result. It's because I wrapped it, so it didn't have all those flicky curls in it anymore. It's just got lots more volume, which makes my hair look a lot thicker than it is. So yeah, this is me just showing you how I silk press my hair and straighten it, and and trim the ends. I'm very happy with the result, guys. So yeah, if you want to see how I normally look after my hair, because I normally wear my hair natural, under in cornrows under wigs. Wig wearer and protective style. So leave a comment, let me know if you want to see my hair regimen. But yeah, like I said, I'm really happy with it. Thanks guys, and see you next time. Bye.
Pina colada, alcohol sipping.